How to turn and avoid highways on Google Map. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to turn and avoid highways on Google Map, launch Google Map app on a device and head towards the home screen of Google Map. Make sure to log into your account. Now select the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and access settings option. Once you're on the settings section, you have to scroll down. Locate navigation settings and select navigation setting option. Now scroll down. You need to locate route options section where you need to find out avoid highways option. Simply to turn on avoid highways on Google Maps, toggle the button on and your avoid highways option will be successfully turned on. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.